bunch of these. We'll just suspend them all, okay? So you don't have to worry about it. How are we doing with our cloth making stuff? We're getting there. Construct buildings, store item in stockpiles. Smelting, good. Okay. Oh, monkey, what are you... Oh, my cat. Sat on my mouse. Cat and mouse. But we got some more barrels. Okay. How are we doing? We're almost done engraving our temples. So, what's our smooth stone? I'm gonna set it down to 4, and let's... I'm just gonna do the rooms now, and then we'll do... like the floors and stuff after. There. And that'll make that look a bit better. Okay. So I think I can check that off my list. The defenses are getting better. And we're getting more homes. That's good. Close production is going. Spears and maces for export. What are we in now? Is it spring? Late spring. Okay, well that'll get Killian to do something. I don't have anything there, so... I'll do 20 and... actually I shouldn't do it here. I'm gonna go down to the actual place here and do it this way. Okay. 20, and then this one I'll just put in for mace 20. So 40 weapons that they want. I think the dwarves will be very happy with that. So I guess he's making something. Now these are... No, they're not. Yeah, okay, they are. Oh! That scared me. Thank you. Oh, thank you. And again, I don't know why that comes up as Blades of Steel stuff. I had it set up for Blades of Steel thing that I was thinking of doing, but... Anyway, thank you for dropping by, and thanks for the follow, and yeah, come by anytime. Check out what's going on in Realms. I cannot believe I forgot Realmswork, the name of my... Ugh, it's bad. I gotta go back and check that. Oh, that drives me nuts. An animal has grown to become a stray dog. Awesome! And we're saving because it's summer. More awesome. It is now summer. Okay, let's get these dogs war training, war training, war training, and then we got all of these. Okay. I did not expect to have these many dogs. So how are we looking here? Pretty good. Okay, what's going on here? You're a kid, aren't you? Assign location. The copper harvests. Now get out of there. And you too. Make bedroom. Boom. Assign location. The copper harvests. This is the copper harvests, right? Yeah. See, that looks a lot nicer there. How about we... 4? Let's go 3 and see if we can get somebody up here to do this. And then I want to build more walls with chert blocks. Because chert blocks rocks. Do I want to? I think I do. I mean, it is an outside wall. Oh, my cat's head is just in the way of the menu. Please, monkey. There you go. And then one more right here. And... actually, I'm gonna go here. And then here. Okay. Zuglar Shedim has now become a swords dwarf. That's awesome. We only have 3 recruits. And they're probably all hammer dwarves. Oh, we're running out of drink again. What are you doing? Oh, you're brewing from fruit. What are you making? Strawberry wine. Yeah, cool. And then when that's done, get doing other things. How is your dyeing cloth? Good. You're weaving thread into cloth. Good. You're doing that. Okay. All right. Things are looking okay. Oh, I'm nervous. I think I'm ready to do this. But how? The easiest thing to do is to do the channel. If I do the channel, we could actually have the grates right there if we do the channel, and then we'll put a floor over top of it. And whoever comes in, like, is just going to get washed away anyway. Okay, so I'm going to build. No. What's a wall grate? It's a W. And I am going to put it here, and it is going to be a diorite grate, and then I'm going to put the other one here, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so do that. I'm stalling, because I'm very afraid of doing this. Don't tell anybody. anybody coming down up here. No. Get rid of these too. Jeez. I don't want them there. I don't know if I want them there either, to be honest. Then I'm gonna come down here, and I definitely don't want these, because they're unusable. Look at how nice this is looking. And that's done. So now we can toggle engravings and make this look not like an absolute chaotic mess. Beautiful. Mwah! Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, so we got the rest of these rooms here. Yep. 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 You've already been done. Huh, we need to do that. What did I do? That. Okay, you're not there yet. You are. And you. Okay. And then we're going to need to build another wall right there. And yes, we're using chert blocks. Okay. Good. Good. Now, kind of want to use siege weapons, but we're not in a good spot for that. What's this? Oh, just an iron spear. What is this place here? Animal training? Maybe we should move the animal training place. And this crazy place looks just as good as any. So it's not right in front of there. Look at all the dogs. Okay, how do I build a chain? Is that one of these things, or do I have to, is like a rope restraint? Alright, I'm gonna put one here. And then I'm gonna put one here. And we're gonna put some war dogs there so that they can guard the entrance and sniff out intruders. Not that I don't think anything has happened, but you never know. More? Ooh, avus. Alright, more. More dogs. Here you are. Nope, we already have those ones. Oh, the puppies. Where's the dog? Stray dog, stray dog. Yeah, we got those. Then we got a crap ton of puppies. You just told me a dog grew up. A stray dog. Nah, probably not there anymore. That's almost about to be done. Okay, no more fruit. That's fine. That means we're out of strawberries, and that's okay. The grates are in, so what I'm going to do now is pull the lever. Anyone? Anyone? Lever pulling? Pulling of the lever? I'm not going to designate until it's time to pull that lever. Come on, somebody. A kid? There we go. Looks like Anthony. Okay. This is big. This is big, guys. This is big. Okay. All eyes on this. Ooh, another war dog? At least I hope so. Yeah, it looks like it's another war dog. Let's see. Am I reading this wrong? Yes, I am. He's been trained. That's what it is saying. Oh my goodness. Alright. There we go. Okay. Is that one of the people? It is. We should build a bridge. That'll be cool. A bridge across. Oh, and Doc has created a masterpiece iron spear. That's cool. Oh man. Here we go. Get ready. Pull out your bag of popcorn. Here it comes. Okay, the dwarves are there. Everything's sealed off. Boom. Water flow. Boom. Water flow. And here it comes. And boom. Water flow. Spilling in. Goes. You guys gone? Yeah, I'm gonna put floors up there soon. Oh, poopers. No one pulled that lever. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Look at all the rock nuts. We are the can't remember what they're called. The water's falling down. Look at it go. Hey, missed. Yeah, look. Whee! It's happening. Missed. Yay. Happy dwarves abound. Is that Phelan? It is. I'll go do it. It's on my floor anyway. I'm gonna go off to work now. And those two close. And everything's sealed off, and we now have mist in the main hall, mist in the baths. Oh, we did it. Now the only hope... Okay, there, finally. Someone grew up to be a dog. But they are not stray, so there's nothing we can do. And there, the water is flowing towards the edge of the map and hopefully disappearing so we don't have to worry about it and things don't flood. And we're out of bones, finally. I'm actually surprised we had so many bones. Body parts? We have 77 body parts? Who is this? Oh, that's right, it's some pet. Yeah, I was really freaked out by that. And then we have all of these mussel shells. So, bones? No? Oh, I actually got the nickel flasks made. Good. Yeah. Tallow. Tallow. Why are these mugs forbidden? I'm gonna unforbid them. I don't know how bad that's gonna go. Limb. No. Like, how do you find bones? Bone. No, you don't? Okay. You don't find bones. Oh, I'm so happy about this. No, you just don't find the bones. And how are we doing down here? Okay. So it looks as if it has worked. It has worked. We did it. Huzzah! We did it. Oh man. The baths are a go. Okay. Do. Let's make horse soap. No, I just want plain old shirt. I don't care. There. It's going to be a long haul for some poor folk, but such is the life of a dwarf. What are you going to do? Remove stair ramps? Which ones? Some of the happy ones that I've told you to do? And look at this. Beauty. Okay, we got this one now. So that is all of them. There. Sugan has become a ranger. Do I care about that? Wait, what? Who is this guy? Why is he a ranger? Who is this person? Oh, he's part of... She's part of the Earthen Ramparts. Why isn't she training? Maybe she is training and she leveled up in something. An hammerman? Maybe? I don't know. I don't know what's going on. She's got nothing else. Okay. Whatever. Do it. Fine. Cool. I'm gonna have to figure this out. So what I'm gonna do is build floors here and do it out of chert, and then we're gonna go down here and do the same thing. And that will allow people to have access. Look at all the trees, and we thought we were gonna run out of trees. Beautiful. Designate now. Oh my god. undesignated. Minimum logs 61, maximum logs 81. Okay. Beauty. So we're good. We're good. Okay. Dare we start making our road? Oh, the fun of that. Oh, I'm so happy. Things have worked out. Look at that. We got the mist coming. No one's going there, and that's fine. I don't mind, but they can see... Oh, wait, never mind. It's paused. They can see the mist. They have to walk through it to get the happy thought. Maybe I should send Nil just, like, to stand in the mist, right? Well, you know what I can do is do this. We don't want the meeting zone to be like that. We can have the meeting zone like this. Make it a lot smaller and closer to the mist. See, now there go all the happy dogs. Oh no, another kid has been taken into a fey mood. What's going on now? Some kid. Why is it always a kid? Jeez. Alright, we'll go do your fey stuff.